Hi, in this video, we are going to see about a Prim's algorithm that is used to construct a minimum spanning tree. So let us consider an example of Prim's algorithm. So this is a one type of graph. We are that the user will be given. So what is Venus Prim's algorithm is we are given the graph and we need to find a minimum spanning tree. So in the minimum spanning tree, what are the conditions we need to apply in this Prim's algorithm is first we need to take a certain vertex we need to select, and after that vertex we need to find the nearest, that is nearest vertex with small, that is choose the vertex with first we need to choose a vertex which has small weight, and we need to find the nearest vertex which has small weight. So the both also have same, so if you take any one and after that it will take another one that is same, it will take because it has same weight, so if you take same, and after that you will consider in this it has that is 3, the nearest it has next weight. So in the increasing order of weight you will construct. So next is 3, it is added. So next you see here so these are the graph initially add, next is 3 and next is 4, so in increasing order it added. So this is the mini repeat until you have a spanning trees. So that is so initially we are going to take as that is A B U V N I J N E as in global, and also visited it visited array 10, and that is for approximately 10 spaces has been declared as 0, and min cost equal to 0 cost, that is two-dimensional array. So in that initially we are going to get the number of vertexes and edges. According to that we are going to store the cost in the two-dimensional array. That means if you take a edge source is 1 and 2, so in that one column, that is one row and two column, that position we are going to store the cost. So after that it will in the remaining that is in after filling the thing in remaining, we are going to store that 0, that is we are going to store triple nine. That is initially if you give 0, so it will take as infinity, and if you give real number it will not take. So that is the condition. So next visited of 1 equal to 1 I am mentioning. Next checking that n equal to 1 and n is number of nodes. So up to node, that is 1, from 1 it will go, and it will check and it will take from 1 to n it will go. So in that it will check cost of that the number is less than, that cost is less than min value. So min value is triple nine, that is infinity. So it will check. So if it is that is not, if it is not uh, infinity means it should be less than a min value. So in min value visited of I equal to is not equal to 0. Yes, it will be not equal to 0 in case of I equal to 1, because I equal to 1 equal to 1 we have been said that. So in that first row it will go, and all it will the if condition will be true. So min cost equal to cost of, so in the minimum we will check it will store cost of ing. So it will create a equal to I, b equal to g, that means source and destination is stored. So after that according to that while condition it will, that is for condition, it will check all the diamond, that is all the rows and column up to last it will check. And visitor of u equal to 0 or visitor of v equal to, that means source and destination, it will up to last it will check. So it will be 0 only, because we have been check visitor of 1 equal to only 1 we have been said, it will be 0 only. So in that condition age, that is age ne plus plus, so and that 1, so 1 edge of 1 equal to this a and b, that is source and destination, and min, that is min term it will calculate. And next is min cost is plus equal to min, that means minimum cost we are going to add in the that is minimum cost equal to min as minimum cost, so it will be added. So visitor of b so equal to 1 it will take. So visitor of b means after that is it is visited, so the destination is visited. So in the destination place is visited means the source can be, that is in that condition the source can be connected to different, but destination it cannot connect, because if it connect it form a cyclic. So in that conditions visited of, that is destination is equal to 1 we have been said. So next after we getting cost of a equal ab equal to cost of b equal to we are mentioning as triple line. If you consider the vertex the edge 1 and 4 as the value if it is added first, so after that one the while condition is going to over, what will happen, 1 and that is cost of 1 and 4 and 4 and 1 in that place, it will be appointed as triple line. So after filling the edge it will should be in the table is not giving the space for that edge, it should be deleted. So for that infinity is going storing that particular places after after the while condition fully while loop is fully completed, it will print the number of edges, and at last we are going to print the minimum cost. Now let us execute this code. And I'm going to take an example from a Krukals algorithm, because both Prim's and Krukals are same. For same output will be given, but the algorithm are different. So now I'm take this is the smallest algorithm example I'm taking. There are four nodes, and we are taking the matrix as that is we are giving the that is in 1 and 2 there are 1, so initially 0 1 and 2 is 1 1 and 3 is 3 1 and 4 is 4, that is 1 and 2 is 1 1 and 3 is 3 1 and 4 is 4. Next 2 and 3 is 2, so initially 0 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 is 2 and it is 0. Next 3 and 4 is 5, so 3 and 4 means initially 0 3 and 4 is 5. Next all thing will be 0, because already we have been taken 4 and 1 as 0 and 4, so 1 and 4, so we've been taken we execute means edge 1 edge 2 edge 3 there are totally 3 edges, so see here edge 1 edge 2 edge 3 there are totally 3 edges, 1 that is cost 1 2 4, so here 1 2 4. So next minimum cost is 7, so here the minimum cost is 7, so it perfectly matches. So that means our output is correct. So this is the Prim's algorithm and implement